On this ground where we are standing, holding dreams with open hands against the sky. So clear, it's better than we planned it. This rising sun was meant for you and I.
Look at that beautiful day, Thunder Cove. You can tell me whatever you want, but being here on Thunder Cove Beach at Twin Shores, where we will have our cottage, it's gorgeous. Quiet here today, so not a lot of people. Obviously, it's still early spring, but we're walking along the beaches here. It's just stunning, gorgeous, just a beautiful day. So, when the cottage is ready, one can rent it from us in as well. Not this year, but next year, 2023 onward. So we will be renting out our cottage in the summer, and in the winter, it's ours. That's what cottage life will be for us. Anyway, let's continue on, look at a few more things. You got the teacup there and some beautiful stunning homes, and this lighthouse, which I took some pictures in the winter from above. So there will be some drone footage you can watch. I'll leave it in the description below. Definitely a stunning, stunning afternoon. It's beautiful. Sun is shining. A little too much in my eyes, but beautiful here on Prince Edward Island. Here's the teacup, as you can see, and I don't know if you see the captain's face, side profile. Let me see if I can get that in a little bit more, but it doesn't look like it. This is a little bit better, but as you can see, there's a side profile of the captain's face and the teacup. Just gorgeous, beautiful. And here's Lily running around. Just stunning! Extremely beautiful. Now have a look at this. There's another sort of rock formation right beside the teacup, which I have never seen before. Just beautiful, and there's lots going on around here. But look at the stunning colors. For our cottage, cleaning up the environment and decorating our house, our cottage. Woohoo! Just a picture close up to the lighthouse that I took the video of, so incredible. It sure does look like it needs some love. I don't know if it's still working. I couldn't see anything. May not be the case. But the wind has battered it quite badly. See, you can see the shingles falling off, so it would have to be reshingled. Yeah, definitely incredible. And amazing to see. It doesn't look like it's working because there's no light, at least not what I can tell, from what I can tell. So, to see the ocean. So we have a little game where one hides and Lily has to find us. Now Lily, where is he? Where is he? Find him. Find him. So it seems to be there are a few buoys. I just found one more. So better pick that up as well. Quite a hike, but always good to find some buoys. We did clean up some other trash, and hopefully other people can do that too. When they see it on the beach, pick it up if you can and dump it in the trash.